So akwanso semne so de wakwa kopie mu ewo etifie poye mantam no emoswafo ho ene onimnyamfo akamugri Donatus Atanga openi de ato aban anim se wonbo modin na oman Ghana miaya ye ben ehye no wonfa apomodin adwuma ye fododo no a ye midwife ne nurse fododo no a enko honom se ne be ya apomodin ho sem ebetumi agina ne nan so ewo honom sa kwenye ya so ene openi fa ya ode ato nurse for ne midwives for nyina enim se wasre wada wokọ adwuma ye adwuma ntiri wokọ ye ene mobile phone no e ya won fanto nche.
Also draw attention to the concerns regarding unprofessional conduct exhibited by some members of this association, which continues to worry the public and cast a negative image to your profession. Issues such as inappropriate use of mobile phones. So that you get to the health sector, somebody is not feeling well, the relative brings his patients, and while he's talking to a nurse, the nurse is busily chatting on the phone. That is a negative behavior of some of us. The negative attitude towards clients, extortion, and unacceptable standards of dressing require urgent attention. You are public workers. You go to your workplaces, you must be decent, you must dress to correspond to your profession. When you dress in a certain manner, you will be attracting certain comments, your attention in the wrong direction. And so all these are things that we think, though the health workers have some serious challenges, we also need to improve upon this so that we can deliver and you have your acceptability among your clients. These practices are inconsistent with the ethical standards of the profession and risk eroding public confidence in our health systems. I urge the leadership of the union, together with the Ghana Health Service and the Nurses and the Midwifery Council, to strengthen supervision and enforce professional code of conduct and intensify continued professional development on ethics and client relations. Are these challenges more evident than within the eastern zone of our region, where the Baku conflict has rendered the Baku Hospital and many other health facilities to operate with skeletal staff? Emergency referrals often face mobility and safety challenges. Health workers endure psychological stress and fatigue, and some have had to abandon their post due to legitimate security concerns. Yet, despite these conditions, the health delivery has not collapsed because of your courage, professionalism, and patriotism. For this, the nation remains deeply grateful. Madam Chair, government fully recognizes the urgency of addressing both the security and healthcare dimensions of this situation. Our response has been comprehensive, combining security stabilization with the targeted health systems strengthening. It is in the light of this that His Excellency, the President, John Dramani Mahama, directed that the 10 billion Baku Revitalization Fund be rolled out over the period of 3 years to address critical development gaps in the priority sectors, including healthcare, commerce, road infrastructure, agriculture, and among others. However, addressing these challenges requires coordinated, multi-stakeholder approach involving health institutions, professional associations, development partners, local communities, traditional authorities, security agencies, and the Ministry of Health. Health institutions must adopt innovative workforce management strategies to improve staff retention, motivation, and service delivery. These include task shifting mentorship systems, supportive supervision, and improve development mechanisms to maximize available human resources.